Before we count anything, put the human stakes first. A signal earns attention only if it changes somebody's work, service, or choices for the better. Here is the reading for August 20th, 2026. The rolling 30-day window holds 1201 screen signals. The window added 30 net signals. Material added 8, intelligence added 11, network added 2 and diversity added 9. About 40 screen signals a day made this window. The totals are material 297, intelligence 553, network 170, and diversity 181. The current shape is widening material, widening intelligence, concentrating network, and concentrating diversity. Translate the movement into the human test: better service, more room to work, a way to challenge errors, and a share of the upside. Material: Nvidia routes GPU buyers into Nordic data centers. It is marked concentrating with 297 signals in the window. Human test: does this become better service for someone, not just stronger infrastructure? Intelligence: Lattice buys Pando for AI-native performance systems. It is marked concentrating with 553 signals in the window. Human test: does a worker or patient gain room to act, question, or recover from error? Network: Microsoft AI marketing chief exits amid consumer reset. It is marked strained with 170 signals in the window. Human test: do everyday builders gain usable leverage, or only face a new dependency? Diversity: Weave goes private under Francisco Partners. It is marked concentrating with 181 signals in the window. Human test: can people outside the owners use the capability and contest its limits? Hardware, intelligence, access, and distribution are moving together. The metric can point, it cannot absolve. Ask whether the combined movement improves service, strengthens workers, and widens practical access, or mainly compounds control. Conscience is unchanged from the prior edition, with a balanced reading at 42 out of 100. Widening signals lead concentrating ones by 73. The number is a warning light, not an ethics certificate. With diversity concentrating and network concentrating, the pattern earns trust only if power can be questioned, workers share the leverage, customers see real benefit, and the upside reaches beyond the system's owners. That is the conscience test, and the hopeful route through it. A daily signal becomes a public benefit only when it changes somebody's actual options. Check the customer outcome, the worker's room to act, and whether a person affected by the system can still challenge the decision. Watch for that change in ordinary work. For the fuller context, today's The Cure protocol is linked in the description, including what could change this reading.